Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having E05 errors, which means it wasn't able to prime properly at the beginning of the cycle of the machine. And this machine needs to prime in order to continue to get into the menu and be able to use it. So for that we replaced this ceramic valve that you want to see right here that was restricting flow into the group head to prevent it from rinsing, and we also had to unclog the thermo block located inside the machine. That thermo block was completely clogged up with a scale buildup, and it was preventing the machine from getting any water into this steamer one, which is also used for the rinsing cycle of the machine. And once we did that, we did clean everything inside, did a tune-up on the machine. As you can see, everything's very clean. There we go. We clean everything in here. Replace that valve that is located behind the brew unit, that one that you see right there. We deep clean the brew unit. We also replace the o-ring of the brew unit as well. Descale this machine, deep clean the spouts, and just give it good service in overall. So let's turn it on. Start it from scratch, so that way we'll see the initial priming cycle of the machine, and we'll get into the menu to do a cup of coffee. We also cleaned a little bit around the grinder as well, since there were some oily beans, oily residue from the beans, and yeah, just make sure everything's fine as well.
This is the best one.
Alright, perfect. Now it's doing the first automatic rinsing cycle. Previously, the machine was having the error right here whenever it was trying to do the rinsing. As you can see, now water pushes through there.
Yeah, that's why I think about it.
And as you can see, the machine got into the menu and is now able to brew. So let me get a cup of coffee and be right back. Wait, I got it right here. Alright, let's do one shot of espresso. Then we can test the steamer and the hot water. We will not be able to steam to do a cappuccino or latte or anything like that, as we do not have the carafe of the machine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. But let's do that again, and let me level the machine, as I want this to just dispense from one spot. So let me just be right back. Okay, perfect. Let's do that again. Things have been grounded over here. Let's have a couple over there. Infusion and extraction.
It worked. Oh my god, it worked.
Yeah?
Even though I clean completely this spout and make sure there's nothing in there, our bench is not completely level, so it's going to go in one side instead of the other. But as you can see, there was good flow coming out of both. Just tip it a little bit over. As you can see.
I can't believe that worked.
Yeah, you don't
Nice steady stream. Really good crema coming out of the top of the machine. I mean, top of the cup.
That's a normal
Working really good. Hot water.
Yeah, I mean, you can check it, but it's definitely alright.
Having nice stream coming out of the one. Unlike previously that it was just barely dripping, now it's a nice steady stream. And steam, we're gonna have to wait for the thermoblock to get up to temperature. We're gonna see now, once it gets to temperature, we're gonna see a nice steady steam coming out through the one.
Using water, but I don't see that the gasket is in bad shape. You think that's...
You have got that grip now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Steam now is starting to come out from the one. Still not as pressure 100%, but once it gets going, as you can see right now, we have a nice steady steam coming out of the machine, working really, really well, the way it's supposed to. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia without the error E05. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.